Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Latsan, and for this video, I'll be explaining in detail the usefulness of the Explorer of Unmarshal, which is called Xscan. So that I won't be obtaining a wrong link as usual, I always like to get my link from CoinGecko. So let's go to CoinGecko and search for Marsh so that I won't enter a wrong website or a phishing link so that I can be protected from my MetaMask. So let's search for Marsh. As we all know, Marsh is the native token of Unmarshal. As you can see, Unmarshal Marsh. So let's search for it. And as you can see, presently the price of Marsh is 0.32. And this is the website, unmarshal.io. So while waiting for this one to load here, as you can see now, you will see this is the Unmarshal website. So I'm very safe now. There is no way I will have inputted a wrong link or a phishing link that my MetaMask address can be at risk. So let's scroll down and click on Xscan. Xscan is the native explorer for Unmarshal, and as you can see now, this is our Xscan. So our Xscan is a powerful explorer that we can use to decode Ethereum block, Binance Smart Chain block, Polygon block, Solana block, and XDC block. Okay, so the major reason why we are going to be reviewing the Xscan is, for example, now let me get my wallet address. Okay, this is my wallet address now, and probably someone sent me a coin and I don't know the exact address, or I want to accumulate all the coin that I have in a particular address. Instead of trying to scan with, okay, let me now go to Etherscan.io. Instead of searching for Etherscan, then I'll now decode with Etherscan. Then that means I have to paste in my address here, then search. So yeah, this is the total value of what I have on my Etherscan on Ethereum network. So these are the assets that I have on Ethereum network for these assets. So then I will now go to Binance Smart Chain again. I will start decoding again. Then I'll go to Polygon network again. I'll start decoding again. So that sucks a lot. Then I still need to be adding it because, okay, for example, now this is $74, this is $638. So that means I need to get a calculator that I will need to sum everything together. Then I'll go to Polygon scan as well to decode the address. Let's see what we have on Polygon. Let's see what I have on Polygon. Okay, yeah, this is what I have on Polygon. It's 64. So instead of decoding all this, you can just use the Unmarshal Explorer, which is the Xscan. You can use it to decode asset across Ethereum, BSC, Polygon, Solana, and XDC network. All I just need to do is to paste my address here and decode, and let's see how. I will even believe that is even very much more faster than Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum network, and Polygon, because a lot of all these explorers, they are much more congested. And see, this is the total balance of this wallet address. So, and I can maneuver from, probably this is Ethereum network. This is another thing for under Ethereum network. I need to add the token plus the gas fee because I have around $58 of Ethereum as gas fee here, because it won't add the gas fee. Same as Binance Smart Chain, it won't add the gas fee. Same as Polygon, it won't add the gas fee. But the Xscan will accumulate everything together. So for Ethereum network, I have 10 token. BSC network, I have 24 token. then which everything sums to $80. Polygon, I have 20 token as well, which sums to 867. Then on Solana network, because Solana has its own address, so that means I can use my MetaMask address to decode Solana address. Then this is XDC. I don't have anything on XDC network. I think that's very much more faster and very cool. You can even check your token history. It's not only the network, the assets. For example, now, okay, I can decide I want to check transaction. This is the history, 63 days. I'll also check history. The history is even more detailed. Binance Smart is telling me that my last transaction was February 16. I think that was February 16, then February 15 on Ethereum. Let me check my last transaction and let's compare. So my last transaction on Ethereum network was December 15. And see, my last transaction is just telling me 63 days ago. 63 days ago, 17 hours. Yeah, this is also okay, but if I need the exact date, like you're trying to track something, that means you have to start doing some calculations that when those 63 days fall to. But the Xscan will tell you the exact date, December 15. December 15 to January 15, that's 30 days. To February 15, that's 60 days. So that's almost 63 days. Consider as accurate. So, and you can see this is transaction on December 12. Very, very accurate. I can also check my NFTs. If I have any NFT of this wallet, you can see these are my NFTs on Ethereum network. These are my NFTs. These are my NFTs there. Let's see, on Ethereum network, I have 7 NFTs. I don't have any NFT on Binance Smart Chain. Polygon, I also have 7. I can also check my NFT history. You can't check your NFT history to just cumulate all these transactions together. So I need to start looking for, okay, I need to start looking for the history. Okay, you can also, you can also check your NFT history on Binance Smart Chain on the Xscan. But it's still going to give you probably 60 something days, 143 days. But for the Xscan, it's going to give you the exact dates. It's going to give you the exact dates for NFT history as well. Then I think that, and all these transactions are very, very much faster. Okay, let's try to decode Solana address as well. For Solana address, you can use sonar.watch to decode your Solana address. But instead of memorizing all this scan, all this Explorer, I need to use Etherscan, I need to use Binance Smart Chain, I need to use Polygon Scan. Instead of memorizing all this Explorer, it sucks. So why not just memorize xscan.io and just decode what you want to decode, and that's all. And you've left. So let me decode my let me decode and see. Let me decode my Solana address and see. Yeah, as you can see, on my Solana address, I only have $13, $13.93. You can see these are my assets. You can check the token history of when the particular token enter. Instead of giving me so number of days, 30 something days, I'll be able to get the exact date. Yeah, for example, this transaction was executed February 14. This transaction was executed 27th of December. So to me, I just prefer and I enjoy using Xscan. And another features that Xscan has is that you can use it to monitor your transaction. Like, for example, now, if someone should send me a wallet or if any transaction should go on my wallet address, this MetaMask wallet address, because I've connected it to Xscan. this is my wallet address. If any transaction should go on it, Xscan will notify me once I'm online and I'm connected to data. Xscan will notify me immediately. So transaction has been executed, or you received so number of token from this, and which is not available for any other explorer. Can also subscribe for whale alerts, and whale alerts, that's when you start getting when the top traders are moving assets from one coin to another. For example, type the token want to search by ahead and USDT threshold, maybe your own will is any transaction more than $10,000. So you usually be receiving a notification from that as well. So I'm not ready to be receiving whale alert. That's why I did not activate it. But I just feel it's very cool and it's very fast. For example, okay, let me decode another wallet and let's see how fast it is. Okay. Yeah, so now see, I'm even able to get my LP position. So now imagine I want to access the assets on my Polygon scan, on my Ethereum scan, and my BSC scan. So that means I need to start using BSC scan, Ethereum scan, Etherscan, Polygon scan, Sonar.watch to scan, when I can just use just one explorer to check everything. And trust me, I'm done already. For you are even typing Binance matching, Etherscan, I've typed xscan.io. What's that? And I can surely decode any wallets across Ethereum network, Binance Matching Network, Polygon Network, Solana Network, and XDC Network. You can also check the mash top orders. And in the last, okay, I think they've not updated this page. I think it's not updated. Probably when you are checking, it might be updated. So you just have to check that one on your own and you see that. So the major aspect I'm using the Xscan.io to do is to decode my wallet address and know what's going on. Then I've also subscribed to alerts. So if any transaction is going on my wallet address, even if I swap on my MetaMask, I'm going to get a notification that so transaction is going on. Thank you very much.